Hi everyone, and welcome back to So Blessed by Jess. And in today's video, we're back into the year of the curve, the fiscal year of the curve. So we started off in July and we did Tasha's Petals Crossing quilt. Such a beautiful quilt. I really enjoyed doing it in a darker background with some more autumny colors that go around it. I also had this beautiful quilt that was in the queue that I started back in January, and I'll link the video below where I started it. And it was from Beverly McCullough and from from Flamingo Toes. And she's a Riley Blake designer she has her own patterns and her own fabric. This is my take on it. I did have her orange peel, and her quilt top and my quilt top are just a little bit different. She took, and the background fabric, the sashing is all the same color, but she does have these cornerstones, but she doesn't, or sorry, these snowballs, but she does not have the cornerstones. So this is my take on it. I think mine's square and hers is rectangular. Like she has another row on top of it. So yeah, so that was beautiful. And I'll try to find the fabric that I use for it too and put it in the description box below. But as we continue the year of the curve, last year for my birthday month, which was a year from this month, I got Flowers Through the Lattice. Look at how beautiful that quilt is. Oh, let me give you the front. Yes. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it's curvy. Year of the Curve 3.0. Here we go. So it's from Riley Blake also. It includes a quilt pattern, fabric for the top, and binding. I'm going to go ahead and dig back into it. I love these boxes that Riley Blake has. They're really sturdy and they're amazing boxes. They're magnetic too. So who wouldn't want something that says Riley Blake on the front? Pick me. Pick me. Okay. So it is called, again, Flowers Through the Lattice, and here's the pattern for it. We are using, let me dig into this pattern, see if I can, the fabric that is being used is this Southern Floral Collection. Is her, oh, Porch Swing. I love Porch Swing. Yes, by Ashley Colette Design. And this quilt will finish 77 by 77. So it's another square quilt. When I was in Vegas last year, we went into the Bernina store, and there it was hanging in the wild, and made me love it a little bit more. It doesn't come with templates, but it does come with these. So it gives me something to work off of. So we got a Drunkard's Path. We have an orange peel. They give us an extra 1/4 of an inch for the orange peel. Yeah, so we're going to be working on that. So let's go ahead and dive in so you can see the fabric. I'm ready to open this girl up. She's ready for me. She's like, Jess, I am ready. And we're going to spend a couple days getting it all like ironed out. So let's see. I think that the name of the fabrics, yeah, are right here. Let's see if I can match, because we all know. Okay. Is that it? Okay. And if I don't see the fabric, will I be lost? baby. Interesting. I don't see this one right off the bat. All right, so let's just do what I know and go from there. Well, we'll just open it up so you guys can see it. So we've got some fat quarters. So that's pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna lay it in my lap. So we'll go through all the greens right now. So I'm really liking that. So a dark green with a little bit of light. I'll have to open them all up because they're smaller prints. They're so pretty. Oh my word. Oh, and here's one with a little bird on it. I'm loving it. And almost all the greens. And then of course, I'm going to show you this one. Oh, so pretty. All right. And it's just, oh, maybe I should show that one already. Oh, it's just a darker version of it. Okay. All right, cool. Then we have this mustard with the pink, which is pretty. Pink with like a little petite flower on it. Pink on pink. Guys, this fabric is beautiful. I'm in love. Oh, there's my little bird again. Darker mauve. Beautiful. And we have some more mustards with a pink flower, with the bird. Mustard on the main fabric. Guys, this is gonna be beautiful. Again, I saw this in the wild. Loved it. And then we have yardage. So these are all like, oh, this is a fat quarter bundle. So here's the fat quarter bundle. So you need one of those. And then like 2.5 yards of a white confetti solids. This is the cloud white from Riley Blake. I have a little bit more of that. I made another quilt with that. Then we have, this is the Hunter Mane, and we get a 1.5 yards of that. This is called Berry Tiny Flowers, and we get 2 yards of that. Whew. We get then Cream Eucalyptus. So we have that, which is almost 1 yard. And then we have it in pink too, which is almost 1 yard. Whew, that's a lot of fabric. A lot of starching that I'm going to be doing over the next couple days to get ready for it. But you guys, this is going to be amazing. It's such a beautiful quilt. Such a beautiful quilt. Oh, so because of Tasha Quilts, I am kind of into the Drunkard's Path thing a little bit more, and doing those quarter square circles. So here I am in all my glory. But yeah, lots of orange peels that I'll have to make, and I know who I can go to when I have opportunities that come arise. For the master herself, again, I'm going to say it again, Tasha, from Tasha Quilts. But we're going to make quite a few of these blocks. I really wish I could show a little bit more, but I don't want to give out instructions. Oh, I can do this one, you guys. Okay, so we're making these blocks right here in various color ways, and then it's all set on point, which I love a quilt that's set on point. Beautiful. Beautiful. trim it up, put a couple borders on it, and off we go. So on my next video, and here is what it's going to look like at the end. Isn't it just gorgeous? Like, I should be doing a fall quilt. Should be doing a Christmas quilt. But this is my birthday quilt. I got to do it. I have to do it. No ifs, and or buts about it. Year of the curve, baby. Fiscal year. So we know I have a few friends that will laugh about that one a little bit. But that's okay. To each their own. So we did the orange peel. We did that. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the long arm as soon as I finish that other quilt that I made from the sampler Civil War fabric and things with the red like triangles and everything that I put together. It's halfway quilted. I have to tear some things apart and redo some parts. Then I'm going to put this baby up. I just got to figure out what kind of motif I want to do. It's a really heavy quilt because it's appliqued. All of these orange peels are appliqued on top. So I just want to make sure that whatever I use is going to be, the design's going to be looking great with it. So yeah. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited to follow this along too. This is going to be definitely a work in progress, and it's probably going to take a little while to do, and that is totally fine. I'm just going to take my time, work on it, update you all little by little, probably do some Drunker's Path, like a block with you so that you can see it coming to life, and then probably putting it together and all of that. I'm really going to take my time with this quilt. We're not going to be Speedy Gonzales with this one like I am with everything else. Yeah. All right. So until our next video, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for coming along and following, and I'll see you on the next video, sure. Okay. Bye.